This is another change coming between 2505 and 2511 in Koha. So I am going to speed things up, I pulled up a list of patrons, and I've got this patron at the very top who has a $2,500 fine. They're not a real patron, it's not a big deal. I just wanted a fine big enough to cause a block. So in this version of Koha, when you click on this override restriction temporarily, it gives you the ability to override a circulation rule or a checkout or whatever. And so this is checked out to the patron now, even though they have $2,500 in fees. So if we go to the test system, which is already on 2511, and I've got a patron here, different patron, but the same situation. This patron only has a $500 fine, but I'm going to click on them and go to checkout. And again, I'm going to override restrictions temporarily. And I'm going to check out this item to the borrower. Please confirm. We'll go ahead and yes, check out. So restriction overridden temporarily. So the difference between Koha 2505 and 2511 is if we go to the modification log or the circulation, if we go to the logs for this item, we'll see checkout, return, checkout. And if we go to the modification logs for this patron, we'll see not only do we see the checkout, but we also see patron had debt, too many checkouts, and max renewals reached. So not only is the item checked out to the patron, but we've got a record now of which overrides that the checkout was overridden. Now, many of you can't see the modification logs because you need to have permission to see those, but it is being logged, and this way, if you have questions now about, how did this get checked out to the patron when they were restricted or when there was an issue with their account, now we can tell, who checked it out and what restrictions were overridden when the checkout occurred. That's something that we could not do in versions of Koha older than 2511.